Hello friends, welcome to my channel Herbal Health and Skincare. This video is about mint, which is very delicious and full of health benefits and everyone loves it. So let's start. Scientific name of mint is mentha and it comes from the family Lamiaceae. This is the scientific information of mint. Mint is an aromatic herb. When we hear the mint, what exactly comes in our mind? Refreshing fragrance, pleasant taste, sweet flavor, and cool after the taste. Yes, these are the special characteristics of mint. Mint leaves are commonly used across the globe, from making green chutney to refreshing drinks. It is very versatile in nature. Mint is a popular aromatic herb which is used in the preparation of teas, beverages, jellies, syrups, candies and ice creams, and also used in the preparation of toothpaste and chewing gums. Most of the toothpaste available in the market which has the mint flavor, and people also love that flavors. Most of the people don't know about mint varieties. They think only one mint is available in the market. But we should know the varieties of mint. Mint has 15 to 20 plant species. At least 10 varieties we should know. Peppermint, apple mint, spearmint, banana mint, chocolate mint, water mint, lavender mint, slender mint, strawberry mint, grapefruit mint. They all are fruity flavored mint. Mint is very good garden plant. If mint is your favorite herb, so you can plant in your garden. Did you know mint leaves come with the 5 powerful health benefits? We should know this. Mint leaves are not just to add the flavor in your food, but they also have multiple health benefits. Here are the 5 powerful effects of mint on our overall health. Mint leaves are anti-inflammatory. It soothes the stomach instantly and works amazing when it comes to treating tummy problems. This herb is naturally soothing substance. Mint is a good immunity booster. Mint leaves are rich in phosphorus, calcium and vitamins like C, D, E and A, which improves the body's immune system. Mint leaves gives the acne-free skin. It has the antibacterial properties. It soothes and calms your skin, which can prevent from acne. Mint leaves are very good for oral health. Did you notice why the mint base is so popular in toothpaste? That's because of its antibacterial properties. It kills the bacteria and beats bad breath. Keep your mouth and teeth naturally healthy. Mint leaves are a good remedy for common cold. With the changing of season, everyone feels sick. If someone who is struggling with the stubborn cold, try mint. Mint helps to clear the congestion from your nose, throat and lungs. We can include mint leaves in our diet in the form of chutney, salads, infused water, drinks and fresh leaves.